Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In this video, I will answer a question from a student. A common question they asked was how to transfer digital pattern files between different software, specifically focusing on moving files from Optitex to Gerber and also to Lectra, or vice versa from Gerber or Lectra software into Optitex. So right now I will explain this to you. When you install the Optitex software, it will include several conversion options like these shown here, from Convert 1 up to Convert 5, and there is also an export option available. If you are looking to transfer your pattern files from Optitex over to either Gerber or Lectra software, you will need to use this PDF export option. You will double click on it, and at this point you will see a new PDF export window appear right here on your screen. Finally, you will select the software you want to transfer your files to in the Output System section. Here I will use an example of transferring to Gerber software. After that, you will click on this three-dot button. You will navigate to the location where your Optitex file is stored and click on the Optitex file. Check the box for Use Input File Detection and then click Convert for me. Immediately, the file from Optitex will be converted to Gerber. It will appear down here and you can scroll down to see it. So this is the file for the Gerber software. If you want to convert this Optitex file to Lectra software, select Lectra MDL for me and then click Convert again. Immediately you will have the Lectra software file right here. You can send these two files to your partner. If your partner is using Gerber or Lectra, they can open the files right away. Now let's ask the opposite question. If your customer sends you a Gerber file or a Lectra file, how do you import it into Optitex? The first thing you need to pay attention to is this first Convert option, which is for importing patterns from Gerber software into Optitex. At this point, you will go ahead and click on this three-dot button for me. This three-dot button is where you select the appropriate Gerber file. Here, I'll use an example of a file on the desktop. After doing that, you will carefully select all of these specific details and then you choose the file path right here. I will give you a quick example of the file path now. I'm going to choose the desktop. Then I will simply click Load. Immediately you will see that there is an Optitex file right here in this folder. This file is received from the Gerber software into Optitex. If you want to import a file from Lectra into Optitex, you will use Convert 3 for me. Now you will notice that there is a window specifically labeled as the Lectra to Optitex converter. From here you will go ahead and select the very first line at the top for me. You will click on these three dots, select the location where the Lectra file is stored and click OK. Then you will see the Lectra file here. At this point you will click Load for me, and if the computer asks like this, it means there is a duplicate file. So you can rename the duplicate file, or you can close the file that is currently open and then rename it. I will give an example. I will rename this because it is a duplicate file. At this point you will click Yes to all. Immediately you will see an Optitex file that has been converted from the Lectra software to here, and you can open this file and work with it as usual. Goodbye and see you again in the next sharing videos.